I'm starting out with a liquid shadow as a base, applying it to my lid and then blending up towards the brow bone. I'm using a yellow on the front portion of my lid, blending upwards, a red in the outer corner, a gold shade all over the front of my lid, blending into the yellow, and a brown in the outer corner to deepen it. I'm using this highlighter on the inner corner, a golden shade on the bottom lash line, and then darkening it with a brown. Using a deeper brown to darken the outer corner, using the Bali lash adhesive, applying it into a wing, and then sticking on my lashes after mascara, and that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye! I'm beginning with a wash of eyeshadow all over my lid and darkening the outer corner and putting that on the bottom lash line as well. A highlight on the inner corner, using a dark brown on the lash line, smoking that out, using a black liner to draw on a wing on the outer corner and inner corner, and then smoking it out. Lashes and mascara, that completes the look. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!